stupid. Appreciate you. I don't like that part. Please be sure and I'm the Jolly Green Giant. Welcome back to OG Superfly Garage. Today I get to tackle a project which is to take this driver's side seat out and replace the power seat track. I found a used one at a wrecking yard, so I'm going to put that one in. The issue was that the other seat track was stuck in the all the way back position, which is not a problem for me, but it is a problem for the rest of my family since I'm the tallest one. So
how tall is everyone else in your family?
Well, let's see. I'm 6'1", and my wife, she's only what?
4'2".
4'11", 4'2". He claims she's 5 foot, but she's only 4'11". And then my daughter, she is about 5'1", and that's stretching it. And then the other ones are like below 5 feet. So there you go. I'm the Jolly Green Giant. Well, actually, the Jolly Black Giant of my family. Oh. Get the seat to go forward so I can get to that right there. This is not gonna work. I don't know why. What I need you to do is to go to the front and move the switch forward, like you can see, trying to move forward, so I can move this bar. Take the seat in the house. It's gonna take 4 bolts off. So what I should do is take it outside, plug it in, and see if it's actually gonna work. Let's do that. Well, I can't. I don't know how to switch. Alright. Okay, so it's gotta wait. Okay. This is being stupid. comes off. I'm changing this because ours is gray. Thinking about painting this here, but I don't think I'm gonna worry about it because you can't see it anyway. But too bad I can't just take the foot off and put the other foot on. That would be a lot of trouble. I can always do it when it's on the truck too. Nope. Do like I needed it to do. Just like that. The seat actually works now, so now it's just a matter of getting the 4 bolts on, and which are these right here, getting these torqued down into place, and that'll secure the seat. Makes life a lot easier. Some of you may be wondering about torque specs. Well, I'm tightening these things down so tight, it ain't going nowhere. So, there you go. It's not working now. Really? You got to be freaking kidding me. We have success. The seat now works for sure, 100%. So that part I'm proud of and I'm happy. Once again, DIY, you can do it yourself. Like the shirt says, built, not bought. Bought the part, put it in myself. You too can do it at home yourself. So anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you hit that like and that subscribe button on your way out. Have a good day.